Variety of lighting scenes. Brighten up your day with 4 preset smart light recipes handcrafted especially for your daily tasks. The 2 cool tone scenes help you get going in the morning or keep your focus, while the warmer scenes help support comfortable reading or calm a busy mind. Voice compatible. The Philips Hue White Ambiance 4 Retrofit Recessed Downlight lets you take full instant control of your smart lighting simply by using your voice. You can also control using the Bluetooth control function in the Philips Hue app. Easy setup. Easily set up your smart lighting without the hassle. Simply screw in the Hue Bluetooth downlight and download the Hue Bluetooth app to connect directly to your new bulb. Limitless options. Easily set the mood with Bluetooth-enabled LED bulbs using the Hue Bluetooth app, allowing you to control up to 10 smart bulbs in a single room. Unlock the full potential of Hue for the full Hue experience and to take advantage of smart lighting features like away-from-home control. Simply purchase the Philips Hue Hub, model 458471. Search Philips Hue Hub or B016H0QZ7i to find this product on hubs. Are also available in the select Hue Starter Kits. Top reviews from the United States. Great way to update your recessed lighting. Love Hue lights, and these were the perfect replacements for the can lights in our kitchen. They function great with Alexa, so now we can turn lights on, off and dim without having to put our hands on any switches. Great for setting up a nightlights too. Never forget to turn off the kitchen light again.